Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right now. Make sure your phone is updated, charged above 20%, and has a secure lock method like a PIN or fingerprint. Once that's done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services so the system can detect trusted signals. Go to Security Settings and grant the app or system permission to change lock behavior. This is required because auto unlock needs device-level access to override quick locks. Make these changes before you add any trusted items. Now configure trusted devices and places step by step. Open Smart Lock or Auto Unlock in Security Settings, then add a trusted Bluetooth device. Pair your watch, car, or speaker. This tells your phone to unlock when connected. Next, add trusted places by saving your home or office GPS coordinates. Once the phone detects those coordinates, it stays unlocked. Make sure each entry shows as active and that location accuracy is set to high. Because low accuracy can prevent the system, finish by testing. Lock your phone, then approach a trusted device or go to a trusted place and verify it unlocks automatically. If it doesn't, make sure the Smart Lock feature has location and Bluetooth permissions, and that battery optimization isn't restricting background activity. Also confirm the trusted device is paired and actively connected. If you still have trouble, unpair then repair the Bluetooth device, toggle the Smart Lock entry off and on, and reboot the phone. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.